Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my two completed diamond painting kits, and I also would like to show you my work in progress. It is the kit that I bead stitch. So let's start with the diamond painting. The first diamond painting is this gorgeous dream catcher from Diamond Dotz. It's their budget version that I purchased at Walmart for, as far as I remember, $8. I think it was on sale. That's how it originally should have turned out. It is a partial diamond painting kit in the size of 9.8 by 16.5 inches, a very non-standard size, so it will be challenging for me to find the frame. However, on the other hand, since it is a partial kit and the background is not diamond painted, maybe I can trim it the way it would fit into a more or less standard sized frame. This kit came with 26 colors. 5 of those were special drills. You can see them here, like bigger round crystals. This kit also came with one AB color, which is white. Since it is a budget version, the drills are acrylic. Unfortunately, that is why the sparkle is not as intense as in standard Diamond Dotz kits. I, of course, made a few customizations. I replaced acrylic gray color over here on top. That's how it was supposed to turn out, with Diamond Dotz crystals. Here they are. I love this color. I think it turned out magnificent. My goal was to capture the lightweightness, if I'm saying it correct, of the dream catcher, especially of this part, and I hope that crystal drills were able to show it being lightweight, just like a spider web. Gorgeous. And of course the sparkle are great because they are really very faceted. I also replaced a few colors with ABs, so in the end the kit features not one but 3 AB colors. The original white one that it came with, also the pink one. I purchased it back in June, and a dark blue one. If a new Joanne was gonna close, I would have purchased way more than that. And that's how it turned out. I really love how it looks, how it sparkles, but again, since the drills are acrylic, the majority of sparkle that you see is coming from the crystal drills that I replaced and the ABs. It was really very easy to diamond paint it. I think I finished it in a day or so, maybe 2 days. And the adhesive was poured glue, and I think it would make a really nice gift with the beanie. So if you are thinking of purchasing it, that's how the completed kit looks. That's what I customized in it. If you like my enhancements, you can try to do it as well. If you don't, I still think that it is worth buying. Now, in between my completed diamond painting kits, I would like to show you my work in progress. This is a beaded cross-stitch kit from Russian brand Golden Hands. I am almost done. I just have this part left. I'm bead stitching on a blank canvas. I use black and white pattern. This is the last one left, the last sheet of paper. There were 8 of them, so this is the 8th one, and it's pretty small, so hopefully it will be completed by the end of summer. And the next completed kit that I wanted to show you is this gorgeous kitty from Diamonds on Canvas. If you follow my channel, you remember that Catherine from former Diamonds on Canvas or Italia Diamante Creations on Canvas sent me, oh my god, I forgot, either 11 or 12 kits to diamond paint. I already diamond painted some, and I had a few more left. So I decided to finish the kitty one and show you how it looks. The design size is standard for all of them. It's 21 by 32 centimeters. I don't remember how much in inches, but the frame size is pretty standard. I purchased the frames on Amazon, as you can see here, and I'm planning to do it again with this kit. To tell you the truth, I do not remember how many colors came with this very design, but it did come with two fairy dust colors, the red one and the I would say dark gray one. And the drills were resin, and in comparison to the previous kit, right, you can see how different the sparkle is. They're very faceted. The resin drills are way more sparklier than the acrylic ones, and it doesn't matter whether they are round or square, the shape doesn't matter. Resin drills sparkle way better. So that was not entirely diamond painted by me. Actually, my daughter was working on it, and I think she completed like at least 80% of the sketch, but then she got tired because, of course, I do understand that for her it's way too complicated and pretty big. I helped her finishing it, and I love how it turned out. Gorgeous kitty. I like the color combination. I think it looks pretty detailed to me. So, and I do love the extension of the design on the canvas. And again, I would say it over and over again that this canvas, Brilliance canvas, you see it's very different from other brands' canvases. It's kind of like glowing here on the front, and on the back it is, I would say, more cotton. It's my top canvas now. It's my most favorite canvas. I like it even more than polyester from Diamond Dotz and Make Market. So, if you're thinking of purchasing Catherine's palettes, but I think she already sold them out, that's how the 6th of them looks like. I have one more to finish, the girl, but I'm not sure when I'm gonna finish it because I'm not really a fan of diamond painting people or portraits, but I really love the kitty. It's gorgeous. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. One more thing that I wanted to mention, that I was working with this stylus from Diamond Dotz when I was diamond painting both of these kits, and I can say that I really love it. It's my, I guess, number one and my most favorite stylus at this point, not look-wise, but functionality-wise, because it contains the wax inside, and it was very convenient for me because I usually took these diamond paintings while waiting for my daughter at the pool, while I was not swimming or waiting for her. I didn't have to bring wax with me because wax already comes inside of this very stylus. You just need to move, to twist, right, the tip, and the wax comes out of it. It's very convenient. Thank you, Diamond Art Club, for coming up with it. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.